Want to print photos or scan documents straight from the phone using your Canon printer? You actually can, and it's way easier than most people think. The Canon PRINT Inkjet app lets you print documents, photos, and even scan files directly from your smartphone in just a few taps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Canon PRINT Inkjet app and print and scan documents using the app. Or, if you need extra help, just call the numbers on the screen for one-on-one support. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Go to your phone's App Store, whether that's the App Store for iPhone or Google Play for Android, and download Canon PRINT Inkjet. If you need help downloading and installing the Canon Print app, I've got full tutorial link in the description below. So check those out if you need extra guidance. Also, please subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. Once the Canon Print app is installed on your phone, open it up. You're gonna see the license agreement screen. Read it through, tap on your preferred option. Tick the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions, then press the OK button to proceed. On the next screen, tap on OK and then select the While the Using App option to allow the app to access your device's location. Make sure your device's location setting is enabled for this to work properly. The app is gonna ask for additional permissions. Press the Allow button to grant these permissions so the app can function properly. Tap on Next and then Allow again to proceed with the setup. Look at the bottom of the screen and select Add Switch tab, then tap on the Register Printer button to add your printer. The app will search for your Canon printer. If it finds your printer, it will display it on the screen. If it doesn't find it, tap on If Printer Cannot Be Found button below to try alternative connection methods. On the setup page, select the Auto Connection option. This is the easiest way to connect your printer to the app. You'll be prompted to press the Wireless Connect button on your printer. Just tap on the Yes button on your phone to confirm that you're ready to do this. Now, go over to your Canon printer and select the Wireless Connect button on it. Press and hold this button for 3 seconds. This puts your printer into pairing mode so it can connect to your phone. Return back to your phone, mark the checkbox on the screen and press Next to continue with the connection process. Now, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and look for the printer's Wi-Fi network in the list of available networks. Once you've found your printer's Wi-Fi network, click on it and follow the on-screen prompt to connect your phone to it. Alright, so now that you know how to print using the Canon Print Inkjet app, let me show you how to scan your documents and photos as well. The scanning process is just as easy. From the home screen of the app, tap on the Document Print or Photo Print option to start printing. Now, locate the document you want to print and open it. The app will show you a preview of your photo or document you can see or what it's going to look like when printed. Tap on Next to proceed. If you want to change any print settings, tap on the Change Settings option. Make any adjustment you need and then tap on Print to send your document or photo to your Canon printer. Now, just wait for your printer to print your documents or photos. Alright, so now that you know how to print using the Canon Print Inkjet app, let me show you how to scan your documents and photos as well. The scanning process is just as easy. From the home screen of the app, tap on the Scan option to start scanning. If you want to make any adjustments to the scan settings, tap on the Change Settings option. Make any adjustments you need before you start scanning. Tap on Scan to send your document or photo to your Canon printer. Now, just wait for your printer to scan your documents or photos. Now, your printer will begin scanning your document or photo. Please wait a moment for the scan to finish. While you wait, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Once the scanning is done, you're going to see a preview of your scanned documents on your phone. Check it out and make sure it looks good. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.